Dear viewers, welcome to IIFL Markets YouTube channel. It is a pleasure to host Mr. Ramesh Kalyanaraman, Executive Director, Kalyan Jewellers today to talk about the company's performance in Q1 and the strategy going ahead. Welcome, Mr. Kalyanaraman. It's a pleasure to host you always.
Same here. Thank you.
So, sir, you have recently announced the company's Q1FY22 results, which is the first quarter results of the new financial year. So, if you could brief us about the company's financial performance during Q1 and the business strategy going forward.
So first of all, let me start by saying that we are happy with the outcome of Q1 because, as you know, we are a consumer front brand. When a pandemic comes and the showrooms gets closed, we will be impacted the first.
Right.
But the outcome is that whenever the stores were open, we saw huge momentum. Walk-ins were very high. We saw a lot of shift from unorganized to the organized. We also witnessed more than 50% growth in our new customer walk-ins. And if you look at, we recorded a consolidated growth of 109% when compared to the previous year. Of course, the previous year, the base was low. But if you look at only June, our SSG adjusted for working days, GSS, our gold saving scheme, was approximately 68%. So the momentum was very high. With only 52% of the stores open in June, we could almost do the same revenue of the previous year. So the momentum is high and it still continues July, August till today. The momentum is very similar to the Q4. The gross margins are steady. And now if you see, all the stores are open.
Right.
So that is why we are happy with that.
So are you expecting any, third wave and, subsequent lockdowns?
Yeah, so that is not in our hand, so whatever control we have, meaning when the stores are open, customers are coming, the momentum is high, the gross margins are steady, and we see a good growth. So that is what we can concentrate rather than forecasting a third wave, etc. But the only thing is that the comeback, whenever a pandemic was struck, like COVID-1, COVID phase 2, phase 1, etc., the comeback was very quick.
Correct.
And this time the comeback is even faster than the last COVID closures.
Correct.
So that is what we wanted to highlight.
So last time when we were speaking, so you had briefed us about the BIS hallmarking on the jewelry industry. So what, according to you, will be the impact of this on the jewelry industry?
Yeah, so that is going to help our industry very much because there is going to be a further shift from unorganized to organized. Yes. Hallmarking is going to play a very vital role in further accelerating the already existing shift from unorganized to organized.
Right.
So even otherwise, people now prefer standalone stores. They don't want to go to crowded streets, crowded shops, small unorganized segment, etc. Because people feel more safe when they come to standalone stores like Kalyan. And we also, as a brand, campaign what we do inside the store, like staff are almost fully vaccinated, the hygiene which we follow, etc. So that with this hallmarking also coming into action, we think that it is going to really drive the shift more than before.
Right. Now that all the stores are open, so do you have any store expansion plans?
Yeah, so this year, the financial year, the plan was to open 21 showrooms, out of which 9 we already opened in Q1.
Okay.
And the rest of the stores are also, as per today, the plan is to open those stores as well as per the plan.
And where will these be located? I mean, you have any concentration on the northern side or western and eastern sides?
So out of the 9 showrooms which we opened, 8 are in South India and one was outside South India. It was in Gujarat. The rest of the stores predominantly will be outside South India, that too in the metro markets where we already have multiple number of showrooms. So it is only adding stores in certain suburb areas of the metros.
Right. And now that we know the festive season is around the corner, so what are you expecting from the festive season? Because I believe last year it was a very damn festive season.
Yeah, so yes, now all the stores are open. That is the first highlight. And even without the festive season itself, July and August till today, the momentum has been extremely high. And the vaccination drive in our country, I think more people are getting vaccinated. and that is also going to increase footfalls in stores like Kalyan. And even last year, the comeback for this time was almost there, because April, May, June was the main time when the stores were closed last year.
Right.
So July, August, September, this quarter was almost open in the last financial year as well.
Right. So are you expecting any kind of shift from gold jewelry to studded jewelry? According to you, what will be the customer's preference?
Because studded has a natural growth. It is growing over the past many years. Now also, even in Q1, or even when the momentum was very high in Q4, there is a growth for the studded segment. But the highlight is that the plain gold jewelry is growing faster than or higher than the studded now, because of the shift from unorganized to organized. Because when the unorganized segment first steps into an organized segment, first they prefer their own staple plain gold jewelry, which they would have seen with their neighborhood store. And when they are with the brand, the stickiness is very high for our sector. The next time they will surely try for a better segment of products, which is studded, or even in plain gold jewelry itself, a higher margin plain gold jewelry, etc. So now there is a disproportionate growth for plain gold jewelry when compared to studded.
Right. So now we are seeing a huge rise in the millennial segment. So is the company planning some kind of product to target this segment?
Yeah. So if you look at our online portal, online platform, Candier, the growth was 3.5x when compared to the previous year. And when you compare with the 2020 financial year, it has grown almost twice.
Yeah.
So now people are really trying out the jewelry also through these kind of portals.
Right.
But more than that, we see a lot of young segment coming into the store as well.
Okay.
Because now people have a lot of money which they don't have a way out to spend, because the travel and tourism, etc. They don't do really explore now at this pandemic time. So they have disposable income. They have the trust to this segment, and we see a lot of youngsters also shopping now. And as a brand, Kalyan Jewellers has a lot of sub brands under the parent brand, which caters these kind of segments. So we are all constantly, we have research online, offline, and this helps the brand to bring in this set of audience as well.
Right. So thank you so much, Mr. Kalyanaraman, for taking the time out and briefing us about the company and growth strategies. We look forward to having you more on our platform. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.